make or break election for West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee as she fights for her post in Bhabanipur today. The incumbent Chief Minister is taking on a young firebrand lawyer, Priyanka Tibrewal, who is also the petitioner in the Bengal post-poll violence case. The voting is currently underway and will go on till 6:30 p.m. this evening. The results will be declared on the 3rd of October.
देखिए, होपफुली अच्छे से सारे एजेंट्स बैठ सके, फेयर एंड क्लीन इलेक्शंस हो और बस यही चाहूँगी कि लोगों को वोट देने दिया जाए अच्छे से, छप्पा वोटिंग ना हो, जिसका वोट है वही दे।
20 कंपनीज और बढ़ा दिया गया है सिक्योरिटी के तौर पे,
जी
किस तरह से देखते हैं?
देखिए, बहुत ज़रूरी है यहाँ पर, बिकॉज जिस प्रमाण में लड़के कल बाहर से यहाँ लाए गए हैं वोट देने के लिए, तो उससे पता चलता है कि कितनी घबराई हुई है सरकार और अपोजिशन।
भवानीपुर में अब क्या लग रहा है कि कुछ बदलाव होगा, परिवर्तन यहाँ पे होगा?
ये तो ऊपर से अगर लोग उतरे आज वोट देने के लिए बिल्डिंगों से, तब आपको दिखाई
क्या
देगा।
रहेगा आज पूरे दिन का शेड्यूल आपका?
बूथ टू बूथ। देखिए, इसमें दो तरह की चीजें हैं। बेसिक परसेंटेज दिखाने के लिए अगर फेक वोटिंग ये लोग करा लेते हैं, जैसे कि बहुत प्रमाण में लड़के बशीरहाट, मोमिनपुर, ये सब जगह आए हुए हैं बाहर से, तो फिर परसेंटेज का जो बात है उस पर आप ज़्यादा ठहर नहीं पाइएगा। लेकिन अगर जेन्युइन वोटर्स वोट देते हैं, ज़्यादा परसेंटेज बढ़ता है, तो 100% वो हमारे फेवर में जाएगा।
My colleague Bisaka joins us from West Bengal. Good morning to you, Bisaka. It's a make or break election for the West Bengal Chief Minister as she takes on the young firebrand Priyanka Tibrewal for Bhabanipur today. What more can you tell us on ground with the early voters?
Yes, of course. And as you know that in 2021 assembly election, it was the battleground Nandigram, and when it is a by-election is in context, then it is the battleground Bhavanipur. As you can see that the by-election has started, and voters have already queued for casting their vote, and they are actually they found before the time actually came at 7 a.m. the voting process was to be started, and they queued in their own way, and they found here before time, and the polling has just started right now. And you can see that 35 company central forces have been deployed, and from the exterior, Kolkata police is giving their security, and inside the polling booth, the CRPF and CISF are there. I mean, the central forces are there, and entirely when it is a question of by-election only, but this time this is the question of a prestige fight, because Priyanka Tibrewal, a young star, she is fighting against the 3-time Chief Minister of Bengal, and it is again the most relevant, the most contested part of this place, because Mamata Banerjee has taken this as a very, very serious affair, because by election we saw that she said that please cast your vote for me, otherwise I cannot stay a chief minister for my people. So if you want Mamata Banerjee, you have to cast your vote for Trinamool Congress. That is why the opposition has said why she is so scared, why she is so insecure, and there comes the prestige fight issue. And so when we can see that by-election is being held here in this polling booth, this is the polling booth for Mamata Banerjee, this is the polling booth for Abhishek Banerjee, and for PK, Prashant Kishore, who has been given the right to cast his vote from these polling constituency, Bhavanipur constituency, from this by-election onwards. So this is the area where all focus of this day till 3rd of September, 3rd of October is there, because 3rd of October, as you know, this will be the day of polling result. So all eyes are set on these particular
Yes,
constituency
also
for the time in
Priyanka
Bengal.
Tibrewal making some damning allegations here. She, this morning she goes on to say that, Madan Mitra is also trying to capture this polling booth. She also goes on to say that EVMs are being disabled to stop the people from voting. Some very serious allegations this morning. She's optimistic that the people will come and vote, but she's also making these allegations of booth capturing as well.
The question of security, as you can see, that has been raised previously also. Before 3 days, the opposition leaders from BJP, they have demanded, they want CCTV in every booth, and now their CCTV are actually installed in every booth. The more 20 companies, central forces have been deployed, and total 35 company central forces have been deployed in Bhawanipur constituency. And for this by-election, this is huge. This is huge for a by-election. But the thing is, when Priyanka Tibrewal, the BJP candidate for this by-election, who has mentioned an allegation against the ruling party that they are capturing booth, they are doing some non-fair actions, which is not at all desired. So this is a tussle between the opposition and the ruling party. When the morning actually begins, when the casting process just begins, it is the tussle that has already started, and we have to look into this. We have to focus for this throughout the entire vote casting process.
Right, we'll be tracking all the developments very closely on ground. A make or break day for West Bengal Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee as she takes on the young firebrand Priyanka Tibrewal for Bhawanipur by elections.